We gotta watch our left, boys. We gotta watch our left.
This one?
Yeah. We're going around in the woods.
You saw him already?
You know, I usually find that my gun shoots a lot better when I have a magazine in it.
Mine shoots better when I don't, actually.
Yeah, I do that all the time. There's a guy to the left. Careful of openings. There's a guy to the left. Can you get in there? Second floor left door. End of the green. End of the green over here.
There's a window in that barrel, Franklin.
Yeah. Whoa. I didn't see where it came from.
He's like,
See a shadow, I think.
Oh, I see him. I see him. He's behind the next barrel.
Guys walking off the field.
keep it suppressed. See if you can move up to the black barrel.